Hey guys, RTT back here from that video. Guys, today we're talking about how to pair up an Android phone with a Apple Watch. Now, this is the same process we saw when we went ahead and got iMessage on Android. If you guys not check out that video, make sure you check out that video. I actually have two videos on breaking down how to get iMessage on Android. Very easy process, very simple, and it doesn't cost you that much. Nonetheless, though, let's go ahead and break down this video. It's the same concept we're doing in this video. So starting off right away, all you need is an Android phone, an Apple Watch, and an old iPhone. If you have an Apple Watch, you most likely have an old iPhone. So all you're going to go ahead and do to connect these two devices is go ahead and go on that iPhone and make sure it is paired with the Apple Watch. That whatever iPhone it is, just make sure it is compatible with the Apple Watch you have. So obviously, like an iPhone 5 is not going to be compatible with the latest Apple Watch, right? So make sure it's compatible. Once you make sure it's compatible, you are all good to go on the iPhone part of things for a second. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and go on your Android phone, whatever it is, Surface Duo, could be a Galaxy, whatever. Go to settings, go ahead and then you want to turn on Wi-Fi hotspot on your Android phone or your data hotspot, whatever your carrier is. Make sure you turn on your hotspot for your phone. Now, before I get even more in depth with this, I know I'm going to comment, well, this is going to drain my battery on my Android phone. We'll talk about that in a second. There is a really cool fix around that. So next thing I want you to do is go back to the iPhone, go ahead and go to Wi-Fi and connect to that Wi-Fi hotspot you created on your Android phone. The reason why we're doing that is because then you will go ahead and be connected on your Apple Watch to that data hotspot on your Android phone. Theoretically speaking, right there, connecting the two devices. But we're going to go even more in depth than that. Don't worry. Next thing we're going to do is once you go ahead and connect that, your iPhone, you can go ahead now and put it wherever you want. As long as it's at home connected to your Wi-Fi, it does not matter what you do with that iPhone. You can go ahead and leave it in your car, leave it in your house. It doesn't matter. You don't have to use that iPhone ever again, as long as you make sure it's charged, obviously. Keep the battery going because the battery is what's keeping this Apple Watch connected to your Android. Next thing what I want you to do is go ahead and make sure you download the same apps on your Android that you have on your iPhone. Every app that you want a notification for, make sure you have it downloaded on your Android, just like you have it downloaded on your iPhone. So if you have a weather app or whatever the case, make sure the same apps are downloaded. Because the reason what's going to happen is kind of like how iMessages work and how we talk about iMessage for Android was when the Mac received the iMessage, within a split millimeter second, it sent a notification and sent you the message to your Android. The same concept applies for your iPhone, for your Apple Watch. So the second your iPhone gets that message, it's going to send an alert to your Apple Watch, and also obviously you're going to get the same alert to your Android because of the fact, of course, it's connected. The same apps are connected. So whatever apps you have on your iPhone and your Android, you're going to get notifications right away within seconds to your Apple Watch and your Android connecting, obviously seeing the same notification on both devices. Now, if you want to go and get iMessages connection, so you want to get your iMessages obviously to your Apple Watch and to your Android at the exact same time, no issue at all. The same concept applies. All you're going to go ahead and do is just connect your phone to this Apple Watch, and when you get iMessage on your iPhone, it's going to send, actually, starting off with what I want to say, you will have to go ahead and tell whoever you are messaging you, message your email, your iCloud email, because that's, if you guys do not know how iMessage works, if they text your number, you will come in as a regular text on your Android phone, but if you want them to text your iMessage, have them text your email. So whatever your email is, make sure you give it to them and say, hey, this is my iCloud email. This is how I get iMessages. So you go ahead and text that email. It will go ahead and show up iMessage on your Apple Watch and also on your Android phone if you have the whole entire thing set up and you watched my last video. So that's pretty much it. You can go ahead and get iMessages. You can go ahead and get notifications on your Apple Watch at the same exact time you get notifications on your Surface Duo, whatever Android phone you have. It's that easy and simple. Now, I know it's not foolproof. You don't get the full functionality of, actually, no, I wouldn't say full functionality, but no, you get everything you need out of both of these because you can still use the Apple Watch fully. Apple Music is now on Android. So you can use Apple Music on your Apple Watch while having your Android, because you got to think they are technically connected. Now let's go ahead and go back to the point of this is going to drain my battery and destroy my battery. Honestly, it's not going to. The reason why is because there's an application called Tasker. Tasker lets you be able to manage when you have to go ahead and you can allocate resources to certain times, like turning on Wi-Fi, turning off Wi-Fi, or go ahead and turning on your hotspot or turning off your hotspot at random times so you can go ahead and keep that connected, right? So when you're not needing to use your Apple Watch, for example, say you're out and about, you don't need to use it, then you can go ahead and have it turn off. When you get home, you don't need your Apple Watch. That turns off right away. If you do need it, it will turn on right away. You can set it different times. It's a really cool application. It's only like $3.49, so it's not even that expensive. And it gives you a lot of functionality with your Android phone, and that's why I freaking love it. Nonetheless, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy it, hit the like, comment down below. I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.